Alright, Lee, here's the quick way to make the coffee. Make sure it's turned on at the power point. To turn it on, press the on button. Wait for it to warm up. Now, it will tell us when it's finished loading up that it actually needs a clean. That's a job that really I need to do, so we'll just need to ignore that. Ordinarily it will just go straight to the start phase, but what we're going to see is that we're going to get a warning message that it needs a clean. Just press escape, so that one there, and we're in business. Now, to make coffee, just press that one for the short espresso, that one for a long espresso, and then once you've put in your 1, 2 or 3 shots, to do the milk, just press the special button, so this one, and then press the memo button, this one, and the milk will start, okay? But before you do that, now to exit out of there, just press escape, so that equals that, oh sorry, that equals that, okay? And then of course when you put your milk in, you want to make sure that this is in properly. We'll keep it all together for you so you don't have to put it together. That just make sure the arm's out, that swings in and out. Oops. The perils of trying to do this one-handed whilst holding a video. And that just slots. It should slot straight in there like that, so they'll just click in, just to push it in firmly. And if you just lift it slightly, it'll just come straight out as well. And so to put your milk in, you can either open the whole thing up or just lift this lid up like that, pour your milk in. And then after you use it, make as many coffees as you want. And then I would suggest taking this off here and just rinsing it underwater and just letting it dry. And either pouring the milk out or pouring it back in the carton. Because if you leave it in here, it overnight, the milk goes off. It just doesn't taste as fresh. And same as if you don't rinse this out, it doesn't taste as fresh the next time you go to make a coffee, and it'll affect the flavour of the coffee. I think that's pretty much it. It might tell you that you need extra water. That's just that one there. If it comes up with that signal, it means it needs extra water. Just fill it up with tap water up until the line there. Just slide it back in. It might also tell you that this needs emptying, which is that signal there. Just pull that tray out, empty it out, put it back in. We'll empty it all for you, so hopefully you won't have too many problems. You'll probably need to put in water. You need to put in water every day or two, and Nettie's gonna fill up the water right now. Any other questions, mate? Just give us a buzz. Yeah, there's the coffee beans. There should be plenty there for at least a few days. I think we're pretty much out of coffee beans after that. Oh yeah, adjust the bean. Do you want to put it back in, hun? Just put the... One other thing I didn't show you actually, one other function you've got is to control the strength of the coffee coming out. So by pressing the beans button, that's a manual. You don't want that. That's where you manually feed the coffee in. You want beans, and you either choose 1, 2 or 3. Obviously 3 is the strongest, 1's the weakest. You want 3 beans. Any other queries, just give us a call. Bye.